Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU, and in today's iOS 13 jailbreak tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak up to iOS 13.3 on all devices, even the latest ones, without a computer, using Unc0ver and an on-device signing service that has since had its developer enterprise certificate revoked. So on-device services are great. They allow us to actually jailbreak without the assistance of a computer. However, they all have one major flaw. They rely on those developer enterprise certificates, and they all get revoked eventually. And once they are revoked, while you're waiting for them to get re-signed, which can take quite some time, the installation of apps like Unc0ver will simply fail. They'll appear dark like this, and when you try to tap on it, it will say unable to install. And if you've already jailbroken and you attempt to reboot and re-enable your jailbreak, if you didn't re-sign the app yourself with reprovision, shameless plug for my latest video linked in your cards now as well as down below in the description to prevent these revokes, then you simply can't use Unc0ver. It won't work when you try to open it because that developer enterprise certificate that it's still signed with has been revoked. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it installed in today's video, but credit where credit is due. I found this exact procedure from a video release by Jork The Pork, so I will have that linked down below in the description. Let's go ahead and get straight into this. If you did already previously jailbreak, just go ahead and delete your Unc0ver application. If you haven't jailbroken yet, don't worry about it. Let's get straight into this. So you guys need to navigate to an on-device signing service. I will have this one as well as the procedure I'm about to outline for how to install apps once their developer enterprise certificate has been revoked, linked down below in the description on an article on my site. So what I want you guys to do is tap where it says download, and you're going to tap install, but after you do that, you need to immediately exit to your device's home screen and tap on the Unc0ver icon to pause it once the download begins. So let's go ahead and tap on install, go to your home screen, swipe over, and tap on it again. Now, what you guys have to do from here is go inside of your settings application, and you need to go to Safari. So go inside of settings, scroll down until you see Safari, and then tap into it, scroll down, tap on clear history and website data, tap on it again, and then you need to go back to your home screen, find the Unc0ver icon, and we're about to tap to resume. However, it will actually resume into the loading stage. What I mean by that is beneath the icon, it will say loading. You guys need to enter airplane mode once it moves past that step and into the installing step. It's about 3/4 of the way through. So with the final quarter remaining, you have to enter airplane mode before it finishes, and then the install will work. So let me show you guys exactly how to do this. Again, tap to resume, and then you're going to enter airplane mode right about now. So you can see that it should work, and there we go. It did finish and it did finalize. I have Unc0ver now. Now you guys need to exit airplane mode, and we have to trust the developer enterprise certificate that it's signed with, because just like before, when you go to tap to open, it will say unable to verify. That's fine. Swipe over to your settings application, back out and go to general, and then scroll down to profiles and device management. Then tap into where it says enterprise app, and then tap on trust, and then trust again. Now there's one problem. It is still not verified because this certificate has been revoked. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually open it even with it being revoked. This step is much easier than actually installing it, but as you'll see now, it still says the exact same thing. It's unable to verify the app, and therefore you cannot open it up. So let's go ahead and tap on cancel, and I want you guys to go back to the settings application, go back to Safari. So swiping down here to Safari, swipe down, clear history and website data again, and then enter airplane mode. Now, if you're on 13.3.1 and you're just doing this to actually get tweaked apps, enter airplane mode first and then go clear history and website data, and it should work for you. But for everyone else, including those who are jailbreaking, you need to actually clear website data first and then enter airplane mode. And now let's swipe over to the home screen and then Unc0ver, and you can see it opens. How fantastic is this, guys? Now we can jailbreak. So I'm just going to tap where it says jailbreak. It's creating a snapshot of the root file system. Tap OK. It will then reboot your device. This is just used when you go to unjailbreak. It basically just creates a snapshot of stock iOS's root file system that can be reverted at a later date. So let's wait for this reboot to complete. All right, so now we are back on the lock screen, swiping up, entering our passcode here. Let's go back to Unc0ver, and now we can tap on Jailbreak again. So it's going to finish this process, and it is pretty quick, and once it does, then it will prompt you to respring your device, and you will be fully jailbroken with Cydia at that point. Keep in mind, we are utilizing an application that is signed with a revoked developer enterprise certificate, and it works using that exact method that I just outlined. So basically you download it, go to your device's home screen, tap it to pause the installation, clear your Safari history, tap on the Unc0ver app icon again to resume installation, enter airplane mode when it's about 3/4 of the way done, and then you can exit airplane mode, trust the certificate as I showed you guys, then once more, clear your Safari history, and then enter airplane mode again, and you can use it. And now I'm actually going to exit airplane mode, so that way I do have Wi-Fi and Cydia will function properly, and we can tap to open up Cydia. And that is it, guys. We are jailbroken now, utilizing this awesome workaround. So let's swipe down to the bottom, and I'll show you that Cydia does in fact confirm that this is an iPhone XS Max identifier 11,6 running iOS 13.3 with the latest version of Cydia. And as is best practice, if this is your first time jailbreaking, go down to changes, tap on upgrade in the top right, and then confirm to install any and all available updates. You should always do that. And if you get any sort of message saying DPKG lockout, just restart your Springboard when prompted and try to upgrade again, and you should be good to go. So that's it for this guide. I really hope it helped you out. If it did, be sure to smash like, share it around, and until next time, this is ICU signing out.